Aline and Brisa present Lipids, explained by Octo the Octopus. That's our friend. He is an octopus. His name is Octo, and he's gonna help us explain how lipid digestion and absorption works. Well, imagine this way. Octo has just entered the sea, which is your mouth, and he's gonna be representing triglycerides. His head is glycerol and his tentacles are fatty acids. When he goes deeper into the ocean, he gets his collar, which is gonna represent the lingual lipase. And that is gonna come up due to the substances in the water. Swimming a bit further, Octo is gonna get glowy blue spots due to the dark environment. That is gonna be representing the acidic stomach, which means that the lingual lipase is now gonna be activated. We also can't forget that deep in the ocean is really cold, so Octo is gonna get a coat, which is gonna represent the gastric lipase that's gonna be released by the stomach. The coat, along with his new characteristics, hug Octo so much that his tentacles detach from his head, just like the enzymes breaking down the molecule fats in the stomach. Now, Octo needs to go to work, but his office is so tiny that he needs to go through a process along the way. He needs to be encapsulated, and that process is called emulsification, where bile salt and phospholipid are going to form a circle around Octo's parts and are going to hug him. Each part with bile and phospholipid hug is called emulsion droplets. He then proceeds with his route to work. However, he's still not small enough to fit into his office. So along the way, he goes through a cave called pancreatic lipase, which is going to take those micelles and make them even smaller, transforming them in free fatty acids and glyceride cells. Detached Octo then proceeds to go to his office, which is the enterocyte cell and intestine cell. After getting in, Octo's parts then join themselves back together in a tiny little Octo, who's then going to be encapsulated again, but this time his capsule is called chylomicron, which is a protein. Now, already in the office, Octo enters an elevator that represents the lymphatic vessel. This elevator is going to take Octo to the bloodstream, which is a hall full of doors, and each door represents where he has to work, the tissues, making the whole ocean work properly.